Hello guys, today we will discuss about with the DML commands. So the DML commands are insert, update, delete. So insert, update, delete will cover, and will cover as truncate, drop also. Later we'll cover as delete, truncate, drop difference. Okay, first we'll create the table, uh, then we'll insert there some records. So first I'm using with the table as the hospital table. So first I will drop the table. If any exists table, first I will drop. So table is dropped. Okay. So table dropped means so there is no structure of the table. If I execute select a star from hospitals also, there is no structure of the records. Okay. And then now I will create with the table. So the table is create table hospitals. So hospital code as in hospital name, where location, where contact number, begin, constraint. I'm giving directly I'm not giving the direct here hospital code into primary key. I'm using with the constraint by using constraint as the PK hospitals primary key. I'm giving the primary key of two columns, hospital code and hospital name. So this is the constraint of primary key. If I execute this table is created. Now, if you look into this hospitals, the structure is created. There is no records. Now we will insert some records into hospitals. So DML command as the insert. So insert command syntax is insert into hospital values of one as the hospital code integer. Hospital name where. So I'm giving the some Fortis hospital. Location where Bangalore. Contact number begin. So that is the mobile number. If I insert, all four records will inserted here. Okay. Then now if I execute select a star from hospitals, so 5 records are inserted here. So this is the example of insert. Then second one will cover as update. So how will execute the update? For example, in update, I'm updating the Duke Hospital. Okay, so for Duke Hospital, what is the code? Hospital code as 4. Okay. Now I am giving the update command. So first, what is the update? So basically insert means to insert the records into one particular table. Similarly, update called as to update the values in particular within the table in particular column or any number of rows. Okay. Like multiple values also we can update, not only single value. Okay, so update is to update the values by using update command. So update is I'm using update hospitals, hospital as the hospital name, update table name as hospitals. Set means we have to set one particular value. Set hospital code equals to 50. So in hospitals table, we'll set the hospital code as 50, where we can update this 50. We'll update as where hospital name equals to Duke Hospital. If you observe the hospital name, Duke Hospital code is 4. So in hospital name is available Duke Hospital. We are updating hospital name equals to Duke Hospital to hospital code is 50. So if I run this one row affected. If you get select a star from hospitals, Duke Hospital, what is the code? Now earlier is 4, now 50. Similarly, now I will update with multiple values. Okay, so already 50 updated here. Okay, that's fine. But I want to update location also. For example, location is New York for Duke Hospital. I am updating location as Washington DC. So at the time, update hospitals. This is same. Set hospital code equals to 50 also same. Comma. You give multiple values. So whatever the values you want to give. For example, you want hospital code and location here. You want to update contact number, comma, contact number equals to so and so contact number. So which particular row we have to update? Duke Hospital. Execute this. If I execute, one row affected. So select a star from hospital. So Duke Hospital, hospital code equals to 50. Location is Washington DC. Contact number so and so. Okay, but contact number we are not updating in this row, particular row. So this is the example of update. Then we will see the delete and truncate. Okay, so first basic the difference is, so delete is to delete a particular record, to delete multiple records, to delete entire table. So this is the example of delete. Then similarly truncate. So truncate, you can't remove one particular record. Okay, at the entire table you can delete, means truncate. You can an entire table or record or row. So you can truncate the table. For example, we'll see the one example, delete. So if I execute delete, delete from hospitals, I am giving one particular row where hospital code equals to 50. So delete from hospitals is entire, all the records will delete at the same time. But I am giving one particular row where hospital code equals to 50. If I execute this, one row affected. Check with the hospital's data. So one row is affected. Okay. So that is delete. You can delete one particular record. Okay. So delete, difference between delete and truncate is, delete can either delete few records or all records. So if I execute delete from records means entire, all the records will delete. But truncate always removes all data at the same time. So then what is the difference? So truncate table hospitals will execute same thing. Drop, delete from hospitals, execute the same thing. But what is the difference? So the difference is, if you observe, truncate is much faster than delete. For example, so here few records, like 4 to 5 records, that is fine. If you execute anything is fine. But if within the table, if we have 1 million records, so at that time, which one we had to prefer? So if you delete hospitals, it will take some time. But if you execute truncate, it will execute immediately. Okay. So what is the difference? So the difference is, so generally delete from hospitals called as, so delete command is, so it will delete the records one by one. It will check the records and it will delete one by one. If you execute the truncate, so there is no such relation to the data. Directly it will take, irrespective of the data, it will remove entire table. The structure will be there, but all the records at the same time it will execute. Because of that is the reason truncate is in DDL command, whereas in delete as the truncate as the DDL command, delete as the DML command. Okay, so you have to observe the difference also, DDL and DML. So DDL is relating to the structure of the data. DML as the deals with the data. So it deals with the data like the DML command of delete. It will delete one by one record, but internally, that is, it's not showing with the physically. Okay, so internally it will delete one by one record. So that is the reason. So truncate is much faster than delete. That is the major difference. If I execute truncate table hospitals, so command completed successfully. If I execute select a star from hospitals, structure is there, but there is no records. All the records will remove at the same time. So first major difference is, delete can either delete few records or all records. Like if you execute one record also, it will execute. But truncate always removes all data or records or rows. And second point is, truncate is much faster than delete. Okay, then So up to this one, fine. Now, what is the difference of drop? So delete, truncate, we see the difference. Then what is the use of drop? So drop also is a DDL command. It is also to deal with the structure of the data. If you execute drop hospital, there is no structure of the data also. Entire structure, entire table will delete. If I am executing drop table hospitals, so completed. So select star from hospitals. See, invalid object name, hospitals. So there is no hospitals table. Complete table, the structure also deleted by using drop. Okay. So again, I'm refreshing the difference of delete, truncate, and drop. So delete, we can execute few records or all records, entire table. Okay. Truncate always removes all records at same time. But structure is available in delete and truncate. Structure of the data is available in delete and truncate. And truncate is much faster than delete. How we can say the truncate is much faster than delete coders? You can observe with more number of data, like 1 million of records. You can check. That is the only we can say how we can say faster means. Then drop. So drop is entire table with structure also is to be deleted. That is the difference. But in delete and truncate, the structure is not deleted. Only drop table hospitals, the entire structure is to be deleted. That is the difference. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content.